So to start, I will cut two ropes, one that is 50 centimeters long and one that is 150 centimeters long. And to make it simpler, you can use something to pin your ornament onto. I use this cork, but you will probably find something at home that you can use. So, firstly, I take the rope that is 50 centimeters long and I put it onto my pin. And then what I want to do is to fold the rope that is 150 centimeters into half, place it underneath, and here you can choose. If you want to make an ornament for the Christmas tree, you can have this loop a little bit smaller, but if you want to put it on a napkin or anything else, then you can have the loop a little bit bigger. And to start, I just do a simple knot. Like I think I want to put this on a napkin, so I'm gonna keep this loop a little bigger for the napkin to be able to go through. And now we're gonna do a square knot. And to do that, I'm usually thinking that I should do firstly the P, which you will see. I put the right rope on top of the middle ones. Here you can see the P. Then you take the left one on top, under, and through the P. Like that. And what we want to do now, to be able to get a great space between the tree branches that we're making, I measure by putting one finger first. Great. And now, for it to become a square knot, I also need to do the 4. So I take the left rope, put it on top of the middle ropes, take the far right rope above, under, and through 4. Like that. Pull quite tight. And now what we do is we push it up like this. And we have our first tree branch. Okay, now we're gonna do the exact same thing, except the distance will be 2 fingers. So, firstly the P. Make sure these 2 loops are as long. That. Pull tight. No. You see? And I will do a third one, and this time I will measure by doing 3 fingers. see how the tree is coming together? And again, but with 4 fingers. Great. And another one. Okay, so a whole hand. I think this will be our last one. And pull. I think we need to do one more for it to become a perfect tree. So 1 hand plus a finger. So 6. I think this should work out. You can adjust it a little bit. I think this last one got a little big. Like that. Perfect. Pull tight. Okay, so to finish off this lovely little Christmas tree, I cut another cord that is about 50 centimeters long, and actually I'm gonna divide it in, make it thinner. So I took about half and just removed it. And now we're gonna do a gathering knot. So to do that, I make a short end, then I make a loop, then I take the longer end and I twist it around all ropes, including the loop. Just a small one. I think I'm gonna twist 4 times. And then take the end, pull it through the loop that I created, like that. And I take the short end and hold on to the long end and pull until the loop kind of goes into all the ropes here. Then I can push it upwards like that. And this should now hold your little Christmas tree together. Then I take the scissors and cut the upper row like that. And now I can decide how long tassels you want. That's it. I think I'm gonna cut maybe 1.5 decimeter down. And just take a comb that you have at home and brush. Now I'm gonna make a couple more.